Hello, I've got a little treat for you today. We're going to work the upper mid back. So enjoy this routine. It's going to feel oh so fabulous. So we're going to start on all fours today. Take your hands underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips, and just sort of rock your hips back and forth. And just stabilize here. And we're going to take an inhale to prepare. On your exhale, just tuck your tail, scoop your belly, and drop your head. Stay here for an inhale. And then exhale, we'll articulate the other way. And as you inhale, just open that chest. Come to center, exhale, tuck. Inhale, stay, open the ribs, really focus on those ribs. And then as you move on your exhale, feel the articulation, and then open and lengthen on your inhale. Exhale as you move. Stay, inhale, really stretch. Exhale, move. Inhale, open. Last one, inhale here, exhale, inhale, open, good, exhale to center. So from here, just kind of shift your arms forward, and we're just going to rock and rock, back and back. Just sort of let the hips rock back and forth, don't change the angle of your spine. We're just kind of stretching through the hip a little here, okay? Go ahead, tuck your toes under and lift the hips up. Feel that stretch. And then pedal the feet a little bit maybe. And really press your chest towards your thighs as you press the heels down. We're going to make our way to a plank, but you're going to tuck the tail. You're going to scoop that belly. You're going to find your plank. Lift up, press the heels down. Tuck the tail, scoop that belly, articulate it out. Lift the hips up and really focus on articulating. Mobility here. One more. Drop the knees down, send it back for a little stretch. Come back to center. And from here, you're going to take your left hand and you're going to thread it through and under as you lift your hips up. Feel it stretch here. Bring it back up. Now we're going to move with it. Like a bow and arrow, reach up to the ceiling and then thread it through. And up and thread. For 3. Inhale, exhale, one more. Good. Come to center. Thread the other one through. Drop your head, stick your hips up, get that stretch. Come back to center, thread it through, open, and through. So mobility in rotation in that mid-back area is hard. So these might feel difficult. 2 more. 2. 1. Come to center. Sit it back, tuck it around, and then find a flat back. All right, so now take your hand to your forehead. We're going to inhale, rotate maybe a little bit more in the spine. Inhale, exhale. Feel your hand push down, your elbow lift up. 3, 2, 1. Good. Come to center, other side. Inhale. One side will definitely feel different than the other. 3 more. Come to center, sit it back, and stretch it down. Take your hands like a goalpost, and we're just going to lift the mid back. Keep your pelvis down. and lower down. So we're just concentrating on the upper mid-back, right? Shoulders pull down, pubic bone down, and then just feel sort of your heart push through your ribs. And lower. One more like this. And then from here, I want you to lift your elbows up and let your elbows lead as you lift up and lower. Three more. Keep your feet down. Two. One more. And lower. Take your hands underneath your forehead. Reach your right leg up and lower down. Lift. Alternate legs. And if you'd like to lift both legs, go ahead. Inhale, exhale. Keep your spine long. And then keep your feet down, and now upper mid-back. Keep your hands glued to your forehead and lower. Keep those feet long and reaching long. They also stay heavy on the mat. Three more. Three, don't let that pubic bone lift. Two, reach out of the spine, out of the head. And keep those elbows wide. One more. Now try to stay up here and lengthen your legs and hold. Lower down. Now both legs and hands. Inhale. Exhale. Three. Really reach long. Two. And one. And lower. Now stretch your arms long. We're going to lift one arm, one leg. And then repeat the other side. And if you'd like to do both arms and legs, lift and lower. Two. And if you'd like to do the full swimming, you come up, lift your chest, and swim. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale, lower. Scoot it back, stretch it back. Good, come to me. All right, little mermaid legs, okay? And we're gonna flex over towards this shin side. We're gonna go 3 and 2. Hold it over on 1. Now open your chest. Feel that mid-back opening. And then we're gonna close it and just rotate a little. And then drop your hand and then feel a little bit more of a release. Come back up. Tilt over the other way. Keep your spine straight. Bend your bottom elbow and feel that stretch in your spine here. Good. Come back up. Tilt again. Drop the elbow. Stretch it over. And up. Heavy pelvis. We're going to keep this one over and we're going to open our chest again, right in that mid-back, and then close it, and then feel yourself just release here in that rotation. We'll come back up, return to center, other side, to that shin, up and over 3 times. 3. Good, 2 more. 2. 1 more. Good, now open your chest, close your chest, and then continue as you feel that stretch there. Roll it back up, tilt over, drop your bottom elbow as you stretch, and come up. Tilt, bend, stretch, up. Good, 1 more. Hold it here, open your heart, and then close it, and release. Good. Come on up, return to center, scoot it down. Good. All right, so from here, I want you to reach your arms and reach your legs. You're going to come up with just a chest lift. I want you to feel the upper back lengthen over your chest. And then roll it down. And again, flex it up and over. Feel that length. stretching that upper back. Now you're going to come up and hold it. And then I want you to keep lengthening the upper back over your legs. Feel that sensation as you take your body over, and then we take it down. And lift it, flex it up and over, and down. You got one more. Focusing on the stretch. Lifting that chest over, 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 over. Good. Roll it back down. Bend your knees in. Let them come slightly apart as we roll our pelvis up. Heart heavy. Pubic bone up. Knees forward. And then roll. Roll it up. Good. And roll it down. One more. And roll it up. Good. Hold. And then just roll it. Excellent. And hug those knees into your chest. Circle them. Get those hips loosened a little. And then take your knees over to one side as you keep your chest open. Feel the knees sort of stack upon each other if you can. And then up and over the other way. Come back to center. Use your thighs to roll yourself up. Crisscross those legs. Turn to me. Good. And let's just give ourselves a little twist again to the left, to the right. Little scoop back and open. Good. And come to center. Reach both arms up. Pull them together. Inhale and exhale. Good job today. So just a little routine to sort of warm up the spine, especially the upper mid back. Hopefully you feel good and energized and open. Good work today, and I'll see you next time on the mat. Take care.